sa ating Dreammakers Worldwide fan page and sa ating The One Academy fan page. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Alright? So, ayan, dadagdagan ko yung rules natin doon kay Coach Joel, ano? Okay, pag meron po akong sinabi na ita-type po ninyo, kailangan mag-type po tayo. Ano? Ta-type kasi, alam nyo ba? Okay, trivia na yung mga nerve ending sa fingertips natin directly connected into our brain. Okay, meron tayong tinatawag na tactile neurons wherein they are the special nerves na kapag natatouch yung skin ng fingertips natin, yun yung nagsasend ng message dun sa brain natin. And that's why, gamitin mo yung mga fingertips mo sa pagta-type para nagka-interact ka na sa akin. At the same time, mas productive ka tonight kasi magsasend yung message sa brain mo, mas maa-absorb mo kung ano yung sasabihin ko. Okay ba yon? Alright. So, ayan. Isa pa, pinapaalala ko po sa inyo, meron tayong tinatawag na law of universe. Okay? Sa law of universe, meron akong gustong-gusto dyan, yung tinatawag na law of reciprocity. Yun bang kapag may binato ka, ay may babalik din sa'yo. Okay? So, kaya naman, sabi kanina ni Coach Joel ay kailangan tayong mag-smile. Okay? So, naka-smile ka ba right now? Okay, smile tayo, smile. Alright. Okay, kasi pag smile binigay natin sa universe, smile is a blessing. That's a free. Okay, kaya blessing ang binigay natin kay universe, kaya naman blessing din yung matatanggap natin. Okay? So you have to smile. It's because the world is smile with you also. Okay? Okay, naka-smile dapat lahat dyan na naka-smile. Mag-type kayo dyan ng emoji smile para gumalaw na yung mga daliri ninyo dyan. Okay? So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, meron lang po tayong babasahin na disclaimer para malinaw po sa atin ang lahat. Para yung mga haka-haka mo, yung mga naririnig mo, dito malilinawan natin. So, allow me to read our disclaimer for tonight. Alright, the information provided in this presentation does not constitute advices, investment, financial trading, and others, and any other forms any of its content should be treated as such. Okay? Moreover, nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. And take note, yan, Live Good is not an investment company. That is why it is illegal for a promoter or a participant in the program to persuade anyone to make payments promising benefits from getting others to join. And do not be misled by any claims that high earnings are easy to be achieved. And that's why we recommend you to strongly suggest to have your own independent research prior to engaging any kind of business, okay, including any other activity or activities when you have expectations of a specific high results or any financial returns or gains. Okay, malinaw tayo dyan. So, when it comes to independent research, I give you 3 guides kung paano ka mag-research para ang company na mapuntahan mo ay hindi siya illegal. Or sabihin na lang natin na legit yung mapuntahan mong company pag eto sinunod mo yung 3 nating letter P. Unang letter P natin ay it's about the profile of the company. Kailangan yung mga may-ari or yung nagpapatakbo ng isang kumpanya ay may credibility and expertise when it comes to the business they offer or the services they offer. Alright? So, second letter P natin ay yung product. Does the product has the benefit for human? And not only that, dapat high quality yet affordable ang price. Okay, so number 3 natin, yung program or plan. What is the program of the company to us? Okay, meron ba silang magandang programa for us to have an entrepreneurial opportunity also? Okay? And what else? Yung mga programa na yan ay friendly user ba yung kanilang, alam mo, yung kanilang website? Madali ba ito ma-access? Okay? Yung bang kanilang way of payout is, ano to, marami bang way? Okay? Hindi lang ba iisa yung panggagalingan? Okay? So, yun ba yun? Alright. So, dapat alam natin yung mga guide na yan para, okay, hindi tayo maligaw kung saan-saang mapunta tayong company. Okay. So, ayan. So, are you ready? Pero bago yan, syempre, kailangan makilala po muna ninyo kung sino ba yung nagsasalita sa sa harapan ninyo. Okay? Kasi mahirap na, mas maganda kapag kilala natin yung nagsasalita kasi mas mataas yung level of retention ng brain natin. Alam mo yon, pag kilala mo, mas nare-retain yung ating nakikita or nakukuhang information with that person. Okay? So, magpapakilala po muna ako, no? Yes, okay. I am Coach Mavic Urbano and I am currently gold rank here in Live Good. Yan, proud na proud, di ba? So, sino nga ba? Ako po ay 46 years old na and I have 3 kids and happily married, syempre. Okay? And now, dati po ako graduate po ako ng BS Accountancy and that's why I work as a corporate accountant for more than 15 years na. And now, and I am also involved in other businesses and I've been one of the Millionaires Club and top 500 of my former company, yung previous company natin na ginawa. And right now, okay, ano na kaya ginagawa ni Coach Mavic? I am a stay-at-home mom and a digital business owner. Ayan. So, bakit ka ba ako napunta? Paano ako napunta dito sa Live Good? You know what? Meron tayong tinatawag na Valley of Life. Ang buhay minsan, sumasadsad din tayo. Okay? When we call valley, 'di ba? Yung gitna ng bundok, 'di ba? Bundok and then pababa, that's the valley and then bundok ulit. So sa pagitan ng bundok, that's the valley. And yun nga, pag sa Valley of Life sinasabi natin, may dumarating sa punto ng buhay natin that are challenges, okay? Yung mga setbacks, may mga sinasabi tayo na hardships. And napunta po kami dito sa Live Good, okay? So, nakapag-join kami dito dahil dun sa punto na yon ng buhay namin. And it's very hard. It's not easy to decide then because of those people who are saying about the loyalty and integrity. Ayan, nako-question ka, di ba? That's why it's hard for you to decide na ano ba, pupunta ba ako sa Live Good because we are still engaged with the other company. And yun nga, sabi, asan yung loyalty and integrity? Okay? So, have you been questioned with that? Okay, so ito yung naging realization ko kung bakit ako nag-decide. Okay? Sabi ng mentor namin, loyalty, hindi niya mapapakain ang family mo. And people are just temporary in our life. They come and go. Ang laban po, sarili po natin. Sariling laban para sa mga pangarap natin. And why Live Good? I have 3 things to consider why I joined Live Good and why Live Good is the company to consider to join. Unang-una, okay, na ayaw ko na pong maging empleyado. I imagine myself na yung, alam mo yung edad mo na, tas itutulak-tulak ka sa MRT. Kahit ayaw mo pang pumasok, matutulak ka. So, I don't want, why I just Live Good, ayoko na pong maging empleyado. Number 2 is, Live Good has a fair and square treatment to everybody. You cannot feel na may palakasan. Okay? May hugot ba? You cannot feel na, alam mo yon, kasi mataas ang rank mo and then you are special. No, Ben Glinsky don't have that special treatment to everyone. We are treated same as an affiliate marketing of Live Good. So ramdam na ramdam mo talaga. And number 3 is, alam mo yon, with the safest platform right now Live Good has and the lowest capital or the membership that you have to peg or shell out, you can get the 3 packages of life. First, to learn. Second, to earn. And third is to grow. Okay? Kaya kung ikaw ay nag-uumpisa pa lang na magnenegosyo, okay, huwag kang maghanap ng malaki kasi pwede mo naman umpisahan sa maliit lang pero pareho pa rin ang pwedeng hahantungan ng kita ninyo. Okay? So, yan, tuloy natin 'no. I am into Team Camp community and we are having this one system, the one. Here in the one, all things are possible. Are you now ready to hear about this company na nagpayanig at nagdating ng bagyo sa buong mundo dahil sobrang dami ng achievement na nakuha niya and sobrang dami ng affiliates natin for 2 years lamang. Welcome to Live Good. Alright? So, excited ka na ba? Sige nga, i-type mo, excited ka malaman about the Live Good. So, tignan natin, sabay-sabay natin tunghayan kung sinabi ko bang gabay natin kanina kung legit ang company, the 3Ps remember, sabay-sabay natin tunghayan kung pasok ba si Live Good sa 3Ps natin. Let's meet our members here, okay? Sa Live Good team natin. Okay, meet our Live Good team. Ben Glinsky, the CEO, of course, with 20 years of experience owning and running companies. And the other Kazan, legend. Okay, the two guys has the credibility, yes. Expertise, yes. Okay, the formulator of our products on the right of the screen, Ryan Goodkin, that meron naman talaga siyang expertise because of the background of being both natural health practitioner as well as pharmacist. Alright? And also, Lisa Goodkin, the wife, ang kanyang kabiyak ay siya naman ang tuturo paano natin gamitin at ano yung maganda sa katawan natin while we're having our health monitoring. Okay? Kasi si Lisa knows what works and what doesn't works for people of all levels of health and wellness. Pasok ang credibility. Okay, dagdagan pa natin yan. Ano nga ba si Live Good? Okay? So, tingnan natin. Eto si Live Good, kung nakita ninyo itong nasa screen nyo, a company that is making remarkable strides because of blend of health and entrepreneurial opportunity. Okay? So, hindi lang siya puro sa health, meron din siyang bibigay na oportunidad para mas ma-maintain natin ang health natin because of money. Okay, syempre, ang ating company, tignan natin kung pasok na may opisina sa Jupiter Park, Florida, USA, and we are globally launched last December 2022, and we are now open in more than 200 countries. And the first fulfillment center natin, of course, nasa Florida din yan. And dahil nga sobrang biglang dumami yung affiliates ng Live Good, syempre, dapat hindi madidelay ng matagal ang mga products natin. And that's why Live Good decided to open another fulfillment center in Germany. Okay? Baka naman pupunta rin dito sa Asia. Okay? So, ang laliman natin pagdating sa products. We are done with the profile. Now, products are made in USA. Syempre, 'di ba? Dahil nandun yung ano natin, yung company natin. And not only that, pag sinabi nating US, it's a high quality. Okay, high quality dahil ito ay dumaan sa iba't ibang certifications from other independent bodies. Like what? We got certifications from GMP na sinasabi dito na maayos ang paggawa at yung manufacturer, tinignan yan kung malinis talaga. And not only that, we got also certification from National Sanitation Foundation that our product is very safe for human consumption. And the last one dito ka ma-excite is because not all the manufacturers of supplement having the certification. And what's the good news about? Oh, excited ka? What's the good news? Live Good got the certification from USDA Organic, a United States Department of Agriculture, that our product has been grown na organic talaga yung mga ginamit na produkto na na raw materials with that. Okay? So, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos because our company is very transparent. We can access easily the certificate of analysis in our website. Certificate of analysis says that our product has been tested its purity and potency by the different independent laboratories like this. Okay? And those laboratories here in your screen, hindi lang basta-basta because they are also accredited by a body who is the American Association for Laboratory. Okay? So magandang-maganda talaga, high quality yung products natin. Yes, it is because there is a simple mission of Live Good. Okay? Our mission is simple, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Hindi mo na kailangan masaktan ang iyong bulsa para sa high quality products na gagamitin mo. Alright? So, are you all excited? What are the products? Okay, excited ka ba? Okay, so here are the lineup of the products of Live Good. See, ay yung mga bestseller natin dyan. Super Green, Super Reds, Factor 4, and syempre kapag nag-order ka, wag lang iisa. Kailangan ang i-order mo yung para na sa maraming dedication sa katawan, like dedicated for your liver, dedicated for the joints, ganyan. Kasi Live Good naman is offering the product bundle packages para mas makatipid ka at talagang kuha mo na lahat ng produkto na pangangailangan ng katawan mo. And we highly suggest that you have to buy the International Wellness Pack. Bakit? Because if you get this pack, okay, Live Good gives you the discounted rate sa shipping fee. Good? Or very good. Okay? Naka-discount ka na. Murang-mura pa yung products natin. And good news, because of the confidence ng mga gumawa ng produkto natin, they're very confident that our product is high quality and very good quality din. They offer the 90 days money back guarantee. Kaya kapag makuha mo yung product mo, hindi mo na maiisip talaga tong money back guarantee na to kasi napakaganda. And let's see how competitive our product in the marketplace. Tignan natin kung gaano ba kababa ng presyo compared to the competitors. Okay, can you see that one? Super Green is $18 and the competitor price is $99.99. Sobrang layo. Okay? High quality na, affordable pa yung price. Okay, we're done with the products na, done with the profile. Let's see on the program and plans. Okay, ano nga ba si Live Good at paano tumatakbo ang kanyang tinatawag na entrepreneurial opportunity? Okay, Live Good applies or use what we call the two models of business. The club membership model and the subscription-based business model. You know what? There are companies using the club membership model, pero iisa lang ang ginagamit nila. They are not using the subscription. Other naman, subscription lang sila. The others are club membership lang. But Live Good use the two model of business. Kung maganda na yung club membership, maganda pa yung subscription, pinagsama pa ni Live Good, mas maganda. Okay? Solve ka na dyan. Let's see. Is there any data to vouch that a club membership thing, Coach Mavic? Meron ba tayong mga data na nagpapakita na maganda talaga ang club membership and subscription para alam naman natin? Yes, we are ready with that. Okay? Ito yon. Yan. So, this is about the subscription and the club membership. You know what? Let's see on Netflix. Tignan natin, okay? Netflix has 9.99 monthly subscription, but it has 282 million subscribers. Ang dami. And you know what? It gives Netflix a 37 billion revenue. US dollar yan ha, 37 billion US dollar revenue last 2024. Sustainable income? Yes. Let's see, in the membership side, 132 million members, and it gives Costco the $4.8 billion revenue in 2024. Substantiable income? Yes. Okay? So meaning, maganda na ang serbisyo at produkto na binibigay nitong dalawang company na to. Okay? Pero napansin nyo ba na sila lang, yung mga may-ari lang ang nakikinabang sa mga binabayad ng mga subscribers? You know what? They have amazing products and services. Kaya nung pinagsama ni Live Good, yung membership and subscription, eto na yung wala si Netflix and Costco. What? Guess what? The subscription that pays. You are subscribing and yet you will earn income. Okay? So, okay ka ba dyan? Alright, so tingnan natin, ano ba yung benefit ko kapag ako ay naging affiliate or member ni LiveGood? So, let's see. Okay? So, isa dito, ang magiging benefit mo ay makakasave ka ng 75%. Okay? Kapag affiliate ka ni LiveGood. Alright. So, not only that, ano ba yung pwede mo makuha? Okay, free personalized health assessment. You know what? This is anytime, anywhere you can monitor your health. Para bang pwede kang magpa-check up anytime, anywhere. And this month is a Valentine's month, okay? A love month. You can share the free personalized health assessment to your loved ones, to your friends as a sign of love to them. This is a free. If you have this link, you just send the link and your loved ones can monitor their health. And it will be the customized or personalized assessment report will be sent to their email. Maganda? Alright. So, hindi lang yan. You know what? Upon membership or maging affiliate na LiveGood, meron tayong tinatawag na dalawang products to consider. We have physical products to receive or we have what we call the intangible. The tangible, the physical, the intangible, or what we call the digital products. Ngayon, open na tayo for the digital products. Ito ba yung mga produkto pero it serves us in our brain lang, like what? The courses, yung mga crash course, ano pa, yung mga digital products like yung mga Canva, yung mga ganyan, yung mga designs, mga e-books, those are intangible products. Okay? So Live Good also gives us the intangible products, the 3 replicated website. Alright, so kung gusto ng kaibigan mo na makita about the corporate, how about the corporate, you give your unique link having that corporate site. And also, retail site natin, kung gusto niya malaman about the product, you send the unique link with your name with that retail site. And also, kung gusto nilang malaman kung paano din sila maging affiliate, how to earn also, you have to send the Powerline landing page. You know what? In the retail site, para kang nagkaroon ng instant e-commerce and dropshipping business. Why? Pagka-send mo kasi yung link mo, your friend then will go onto that shop, doon na siya magbibili, add to cart, magbabayad siya, and dropshipping goes that Live Good will be the one to pack and will be the one to deliver, manage the courier door to your client. Okay ba sa'yo? Okay, good? Alright. So, type mo nga dyan, good sa'yo. Good. That's very good. Okay? Yan. So, what are the advantages of Live Good? Okay? These are the advantages. No mandatory buying, no auto ship, no team sales quota, no points monitoring, no flash out, no personal sales required. Kasi, you buy the products, what you need, and when you need. Okay? So ano pa yung makikita natin benepisyo dito? We also have the special trainings for you. Value for money kapalit ng pagiging affiliate mo dito kapag ikaw ay dito sa Dream Makers Worldwide. We will give you the strong mindset training wherein if you can enroll to other outside DMW, you're gonna pay it for about 5,000 pesos. What else? Okay, package na to. May mastery din tayo, master class. If you want to enroll in other courses siguro that gives mastery about business, that will give you also 5,000 pesos cost. Okay, na ano pa, yung mga technical natin na training. Okay, madami dyan nag-o-offer ng mga technical trainings. Okay, kung ikaw mag-enroll siguro 5,000 din na maaabot niyan or more than. And yung last natin, isa pa, unlimited prospecting. This is a very crucial to us as online marketers or affiliate marketing dahil dito mo talaga prospects are yan yung beginning ng pag-grow ng business mo. And if you go into other courses outside DMW, you will have the cost of 5,000 din. For a total of 20 for that 4 training, special trainings. Okay? So, ang mahal na rin yan, di ba? But you know what? Because you enroll under the DMW, you will get this for absolutely free and unlimited access. Excited ka ba dyan? Okay, so excited. I'm so excited because you know what? Training is very important in every business. Kahit may pera ka, meron kang talino, 'di ba? Pero ang importante nito yung nakaka-attend ka ng mga trainings and a very healthy community. Yung community ba na puro positibo, a circle of individuals na nandun yung mga pangarap pinag-uusapan. Okay? So lahat ng 'yan, makukuha mo 'yan na benepisyo 'pag ikaw ay isang affiliate na ni LiveGood. Eh, magkano ba? Ayan ang tanong. Okay, we have two options how to become a member of LiveGood, okay? But before I show you that, I just have to remind you that business nowadays should be on online para mag-boom 'yan. Kaya naman 'yan ang nagustuhan ko kay LiveGood kasi you don't need to go anywhere, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas kasi lahat online mo lang siya gagawin. And we will teach you that how to do it online. Kasi sabi nga, yung negosyo mo 'pag nilagay mo sa internet, sigurado 'yan at alam mo yung mga pattern paano gumalaw sa social media, sigurado magbo-boom ang business mo. Okay? Gusto mo 'yan? Gustong-gusto, 'di ba siyempre? Okay, I now present you how to become a member of LiveGood. Alright, so ready ka na? Alright. So, option 1 natin yung monthly natin na kung saan meron tayong tinatawag na one-time affiliate fee na $40 and a subscription fee na $9.95. This is monthly, okay? For a total of $49.95. Okay, tanong, ibig sabihin ba, Coach Mavic, next month $49.95 ulit? No, because ulitin ko, one time lifetime lang ang 40, the monthly lang ang babayaran mo. That's why next month, you're gonna pay the 9.95 na lang. Malinaw? Klaro? Okay, klaro. Kung iko-convert natin yan sa peso, ita-times na lang natin yan sa very conservative na 60. So, i-round off na rin natin ng $50 times 60, that will give you 3,000 pesos. Okay? Ang mura lang pala. Okay, ang dami pang trainings na makukuha. Okay, we go to the yearly option. Another, okay, one-time lifetime natin na $40 and the yearly subscription, we're gonna pay it for one time. Kung napapansin mo, magkano yan? $139.95. Sabi mo, parang nalito yata si LiveGood. Dapat $10 times 12, that should be $120 plus 40, that should be $160. But you know what? If you're gonna avail that yearly, LiveGood will give you a discount of $20 and that would be your savings. May savings ka na na $20? Gusto mo yon? At hindi ka pa mawa-worry na hindi ka magsusubscribe na makakat yung subscription mo monthly because you avail that yearly option. Okay? It's up to you to decide. You get the monthly or the yearly. It's your own decision. Okay? Pag i-convert natin tong 139, magkano ba, Coach Mavic? That's 8,400 pesos. Alright. So, ngayon kapag ikaw ay affiliate na, puntahan natin kung paano nga ba lumago ang iyong negosyo. So, we have earned income in 7 ways here. Number 1 is matrix commission, matching bonus. Ito yung matching bonus natin. Ito yung monthly makukuha natin together with the matrix commission. Yung weekly at the word weekly fast start commission, ito yung pwede mo nang pamalengke every week. Kay diamond bonus pool, ito yung tinatawag natin na early retirement or passive income. And yung number 5, 6, and 7, okay? Ito, mga self-explanatory na lang to. Customer acquisition, retail commission, di ba? Ang daling intindihin, and influencer bonuses. And let's begin. Ready ka na? Oh, dapat nandyan yung notebook mo para isulat-sulat mo yan para gumalaw yung mga fingertips mo. Okay, let's begin with the matrix commission. Alright, sa matrix commission natin, meron tayong tinatawag na 15 level with a 2x2 matrix. Kapag ikaw ay kaka-enroll lang dito sa LiveGood, you're considered unranked and you have a potential income monthly of 2,047.5. Bakit 2,047.5? Because every time one person will subscribe, you will get $0.25 commission. Nagulat ka ngayon, Coach Mavic, di ibig sabihin 4,096 na tao ang kukunin ko para ma-earn ko yung 2,047.5. Don't you worry kasi meron tayong tinatawag na matrix income through spillover. How it works? Okay, for example, ako to enroller. Okay, ngayon, dahil ako ay very aggressive and passionate enough, I want to earn $2,047.5. So, I get two affiliates under me. At ako po ay bronze na. Okay, malalaman nyo yan mamaya bakit nag-rank up ako. Okay, for example, okay, eto ngayon, tingnan natin. Si Coach Pitts, okay, eto siya, si Pitts, nandito siya sa may left side ko, siya yan. Okay, Pitts, ganito yan. Ngayon, sabi 2x2 lang, nakakuha pa ako ng 4. Okay, dahil nga very aggressive ako, araw-araw ako nag-share. I got additional 4. Saan na sila mapupunta? 2x2 lang. So, Live Good System works. Dahil 2x2, hahanapin ngayon ni Live Good System saan ang mga tao na wala pang 2x2. Ilalagay niya ngayon yan and that's what we call a spillover. Okay, lalagyan niya ng 2 dyan kay Pitts at lalagyan niya din yung nasa kanan ko ng 2 to serve the purpose of the 2x2 matrix. Now, etong na-spill sa'yo, Pitts. Okay? Yung na-spill sa'yo, very aggressive and passionate din siya kasi gusto niya din kumita ng $2,047 every month. Ang ginawa niya ngayon, share ng share ng share ng share ng share. So, araw-araw niya shinare ngayon to si Live Good. Walang katapusan. Walang pagod. Kaya ang nangyari, dumami ang nasa baba na ng spillover. And what's the benefit of Pitts? Ano yung benepisyo ni Coach Pitts? Okay, every time na merong isang tao na nagsusubscribe ng $10 every month, it will give you an earning of 0.25. Kaya, nung nagkaroon ng mga tao sa baba ni Coach Pitts, let's say 40 times 0.25, that will give you $10. Ibig sabihin, yung pang-subscribe mo, nag-earn na yung na-spill over lang sa'yo. Problemahin mo ba yung $10 mo? Not anymore getting from the pocket, not anymore getting from the salary because the spillover earns for itself. Alinaw, magkano yan? 600 pesos. Okay, so ngayon, nakita ngayon ni Pitts, kailangan ko din talaga magsipag para mas mabilis kami dumami, mas mabilis yung income. Now, ang ginawa ngayon ni Pitts, 3 na kami masipag. Okay, ako, si Pitts, at yung na-spill over sa kanya. And it grows. 1,000 people under Pitts. Ngayon, magkano na yung pwede niyang kitain? 1,000 times 0.25, that will give you $250 or 15,000 pesos. Kung ikaw ay merong ginagastos na 15,000 pesos sa family mo and you're getting it from your salary, 15,000 from Live Good will cover your expenses for that month. You can just imagine, yung dating kinukuha mo sa salary mo na 15,000 to cover the expenses of the family for a month. Ngayon, nandyan na si Live Good to cover it up. Yung 15,000 mo from the salary, masasave mo na or vice versa. Okay? Etong income mo kay Live Good will be your savings. Good or very good? Okay? Alright. So, tingnan pa natin kung paano pa kumita dito sa matrix commission natin. Alright? Kapag nagra-rank up ka, alright, pag nara-rank up ka, mas tumataas yung commission mo. Why? Mas lumalalim yung pinanggagalingan ng commission mo. Hindi na lang siya 12, kundi hanggang 13th level mo siya. Okay? Lalo na kapag ikaw ay nag-gold and platinum, bababa ulit to 14 until ma-reach mo yung 15 level kapag ikaw ay nag-diamond na. That will give you an income of $16,383.5. Anong buhay kaya meron tayo niyan? Excited ka ba? Okay? O kinikilig ka ba dyan sa income na yan? Okay, so sabihin mo dyan, kinikilig akong kumita ng $16,000. Okay, so next doon tayo sa matching bonus from the word match. Tatapatan ni Live Good ang kinikita ng affiliate mo. And that's the very important thing why you have to enroll affiliates under you and not to wait for the spillover lang. Because if you are waiting for the spillover, you know what? You will not enjoy this matching bonus, I tell you. Why? Because matching bonus will work this way. Okay? Ganito yon. Okay? Every time na may kinikita yung mga personally enrolled individual mo, ibibigay ni Livegood, tatapatan niya ng 50% commission but not deducting from their income. Okay, for example, you have this first referral that earns 1,000. Livegood will match that 50%. It will give you how much? 500 US dollar. And the second referral, 600, that will give you 300. And the third referral, 300, that will give you 150. And the fourth referral earns 100, that will give you 50 US dollar for a total of 1,000 or 60,000 pesos. Grabe! Mas malaki pa kinikita mo ngayon kesa doon sa dati nagtatrabaho ka. Not only that, there are certain percentage also pag nagra-rank up na yung mga affiliates mo. Okay? So next natin, yung tinatawag natin na weekly fast start commission or pwedeng pamalengke mo na to. 'Di ba? How is it? That every time na meron tayong na-enroll, we get a 50% referral fee. Okay, how is it? Okay, di ba $50 yung ating enrollment? Okay. Ngayon, each person, pwede ka kumita ng 15 or 25 US dollar. And this is unlimited. For example, you got 10. Di meron kang 10 times 25, you will get 250 US dollar. Okay ba yon? O pwede na yan pamalengke every week? Makukuha mo yan every week. Okay. And not only that, kapag ikaw ay nagra-rank up, dumadagdag, hindi lang 50% ang pwede mo makomisyon from the enrollment. Dadagdag pa ng mga commissions dyan. Alright? How is it? Okay, pag bronze ka, you will just get only 2 at bronze ka na. Okay? Now, you will enjoy the commission of 10% on the second level. Kita mo? Lumalalim yung pinanggagalingan. Okay. So, when you want to go into silver rank, what you will do is, dadagdagan mo yung line mo. Instead of 2, you will get another 1. So, it will become 3. Okay? 3 na ngayon yung line mo and you will rank them up. Tutulungan mo sila na mag-bronze. Okay? And you will become silver as long as you have an active affiliates under you for a total of 20 people. Okay? So ngayon, pwede ka nang kumita ulit doon sa third and fourth level mo. The same as sa pag mag-gold ka, tulungan mo ulit yung 3 bronze mo to become silver with a total active affiliates of 100 under you, and you will become gold and you will enjoy the 5th and 6th level commission. And also, when you want to become platinum, tulungan mo lang yan 3 to become gold, and you have at active affiliate for a total of 500, and you will enjoy the commissions from the 7th and 8th level. And lastly, okay, para mag-diamond ka, yung 3 na yan, you will rank them up as platinum with a total number of 2,500 active affiliates under you. You are now diamond and enjoy the commission from the 9th and 10th level. Why is it important to be a diamond? Bakit yan ang pinaka-main goal natin? It's because of this commission, the diamond bonus pool. Okay, paano ba nangyayari yan? You know what? The total sales monthly of Livegood will be given. The 2.5 will be split over the diamond and the crown diamond. How? Okay. Now, it may be, the sales may be from the membership, from the subscription, or the purchases of the products. For example, Livegood has this 10 million US dollar sales for the month. Okay, Diamond will have a share of 2% from there and 200,000 US dollar. Ang equally divided amongst the qualified diamond for that month. Okay. Now, kung 50 diamonds yan, they will receive 4,000 US dollar. Okay. Pag crown diamond naman, let's just compute for the 0.5% of that $10 million, and it will be equally divided amongst the qualified US dollar. That will give them, kung dalawa lang sila, tigda 25,000 US dollar sila. Okay, let us see Kung totoo ba na equally divided yan? There's a proof. Okay. So can you see that one? Tatlo sila, pantay-pantay up to the last centavo. Pare-pareho. And this is in regardless of kailan sila nag-diamond. Walang seniority dito. Okay? Basta qualified ka for that month, may it be kaka-diamond mo lang that month or matagal ka na, basta qualified ka, you will be given equally. Alright? So, tingnan natin yung ating customer acquisition bonuses. Sinabi dito na meron ka matatanggap na 10% commission kapag bumili yung ating personally enrolled individual but up to the $300 cap. Okay? Pag bibili tayo, nandyan lang sa website natin. I-click lang natin yan, makita yung price, and then you can buy there. Alright. Doon naman sa ating retail commission natin, sinasabi dito na kapag nakabenta tayo sa hindi member or hindi affiliate ng LiveGood, you will receive that retail commission. Alright? And also for the influencer bonuses, kapag marami tayong nabenta dahil meron tayong kakilalang influencer, certain percentage of that sales will be given to that influencer or sa'yo na affiliate. Alright, malinaw? Malinaw na malinaw? Sobrang ganda ba? Okay, so tapos na po ako sa ating first part ng presentation. I don't know kung ano nagustuhan mo dyan. I-type mo nga kung ano nagustuhan mo. Sa products ba? Sa kitaan ba? Okay? Doon ba sa rank up? Okay, i-type mo nga dyan kung malinaw na malinaw. Okay? So titignan natin ngayon kung ito ba ay ang tanong ko ngayon sa iyo, gusto mo ba ng negosyong madali or mahirap? Okay? Okay. So, syempre kung ikaw magnenegosyo, alam mo naman ang mga Pilipino, gustong-gusto nila ng napapadali sila, 'di ba? Kaya nga ang daming sumasali sa mga instant investment, okay? Syempre, madali. And you know what? I have a good news for you for this 2025. Dream makers worldwide have this game plan that we will have this project to create 100 diamonds. Isa ka na ba sa magiging diamond this 2025? Claim it! I am diamond. Yan, type mo yan. Okay, i-type mo yan. Alright? Dahil dyan, meron tayong game plan. Ano yung game plan natin? That we will have a program. Okay? Na get 3, help 3, then repeat. Okay, ituturo namin yan sa'yo para mapadali na ang lahat. Okay? Sobrang dali mo nang gawin dahil napakaliit na, sobrang dali pa. Okay? Pero may dalawang requirements tayo, hindi basta-basta dahil madali, meron kaming dalawang requirements. Ikaw ba ay kailangan mo talaga ng dagdag kita para mapasama ka dito sa 100 Diamonds project natin? And second requirements is, kaya mo bang gawin yung 4 easy step natin? Okay? Kapag isa dyan, hindi ka nag-qualify sa requirements natin, I suggest, ako na nagsasabi, wag mo nang ituloy mag-member dito sa LiveGood. Okay? Pero kung kailangan mo ng dagdag kita, kayang-kaya mong gawin ang 4 easy step, and then you go. And I gonna tell you, this gonna change your life forever. Okay? So gusto mo nang malaman kung paano ba yan get 3 natin? But of course, this program that runs through, we have the system. We have the system. And you will gonna learn about the 4 easy step natin na system kasi nakapaloob to sa ating The One Academy. Okay? You can enroll in The One Academy for you to develop yourself, to be duplicated, and to build a huge organization here in LiveGood. Excited ka dyan? Alright. So I know you're so super excited to know how to have that Get 3 project. I'm gonna give you now. Alright, how to become a diamond in 7 weeks. Aba, ang dali lang pala. Okay, first, eto na yon, first week natin. Kukuha lang tayo ng 3, get 3 nga, di ba? Okay, ikaw ay bronze na at meron ka ng commission na $75 on the second week. Okay, yung 3, i-duplicate mo lang, sabihin mo, gawin mo lang yung ginawa ko, kumuha ng tag-3. Naging siyam kayo ngayon, another commission, 10% for a $45. And the third week, yung siyam, nakuha ng tag-3, naging 27, you are now silver. At may additional commission ka na naman na 67.5. Alright, so now, yung 27 mo naging 81, meron ka na namang additional na $202.5. And on the 5th month, kumuha ulit yung 81 ng tig-tatlo, may 243, you are now gold. At meron ka na namang commission na 364.5. Oh, grabe, no? And on the 6th month, 243 times 3, 729, you are now platinum. At meron ka na namang additional na $729. And lastly, on the 7th week, okay, yung 729 kumuha ng tig-tatlo at meron kayong total na 2,187. You are now diamond position. Okay, rank mo na ay diamond at meron kang potential income of $5,000. Are you excited on that? Okay, if you cannot make it on 7 weeks, you can do it on 7 months. Oh, okay? So, tignan natin magkano ba yung potential income ko diyan sa matrix pag ganyan. Okay, yung matrix income mo, okay? You know what? This one. Okay, tingnan mo maigi yung mga numbers na yan. First referral mo, pwede kumita ng 273 and 273 and you will earn how much? 819.25. Okay, matrix income. And let's see, how much would be your matching bonus? 409.5 for a total of $1,228.75 every month. Grabe! Oh, nakahinga ka pa ba dyan? Okay. Alright. So, I'll now give you the 4 easy step para naman tuloy-tuloy na maramdaman mo ang dali pala gawin si Live Good. Okay. Eto na. 4 easy step. Unang-una, madali lang gawin. Mag-approach ka lang. Kayang-kaya mo yan kasi kahit hindi naman negosyo, you are doing the approach. Okay, sasabihin mo lang sa mga kakilala mo, pwede ba akong magtanong or we will give you a script. This system is a 90% done for you. Okay, isa-send mo lang yung script. Nasa subscription business ako at naghahanap ako ng gustong mag-subscribe at potential na kumita. Kapag nakita yung kumita, okay, ang gagawin ay, paano ba yan? Now, you will do the second step, yung video natin. You send the video, and after that, pag sinabi mo, tapos ka na ba after 5 minutes, I will gonna call you. Okay, habang nanonood yung prospect mo, doon sa video, i-chat mo na ngayon yung iyong coach, you give the background of the prospect, para may katuwang ka. And that's what we call step number 3, you call the support of that team. Okay, tawagin mo na ngayon yung coach mo. Siya ngayon ang bahalang mag-explain at sasagot pa sa mga tanong ng prospect mo. While the prospect is asking you, habang nanonood siya, please, don't answer and don't give any idea on that. Okay? Antayin mo na yung support, yung magbibigay ng explanation dito. Okay? Habang ikaw ay nakikinig, nag-e-explain yung coach mo, and at that time na mag-decide siya, sasabihin ng coach mo, okay, you can reserve, you can secure your position now. Okay? Ikaw naman ay magsisend ng iyong Powerline landing page. Baka eto hindi mo pa kaya. Napakadali na. Okay. Pag na-send mo na yung Powerline landing page mo para na ikaw nakinig, yung coach mo, for example ako yung nag-explain, ako yung nagpaliwanag sa kanya, ako yung nag-mindset sa kanya na kailangan niya talaga to, and nag-decide siya at sa'yo mapunta yung commission kasi Powerline landing page mo yung pinadala mo. Is it okay for you na ako yung nag-explain but you earn? Okay, okay naman siguro 'yan. Wala naman sigurong may ayaw, hindi ka napagod, nakinig ka lang, gano'n lang pala yung Live Good, makikinig lang ako and then I earn. Okay, so ayan, 'yan yung 4 easy step natin. Ulitin ko, the requirements would be, kailangan mo ba talaga at kaya mo ba gawin itong 4 easy step natin, and then pasok ka for the program of the Dream Makers Worldwide na 100 Diamondes 2025. Okay. So lastly, ito po yung masasabi ko sa inyo. A lot of opportunities out there, but Live Good has these 3 crucial in our life. The health, it gives us the very good quality products. It gives us the entrepreneurial opportunity, which gives us the income. And if you have that good health and good income here in Live Good, definitely you can save for the future. And this what we call what? This is what we call the value that Live Good is giving us. You can now feel that you live and not just to exist with this health, income, and savings. Ayan, tapos na po ako, 'di ba? I hope nagustuhan niyo, na malinaw ng presentation natin. At eto yung babanggitin ko sa inyo ha, I am also a mother, no? I am also a mother. Kung ikaw siguro nanay din, I don't know kung paano ka napunta rito, paano mo nakita yung link, I don't know. But as a mother, I advise you, no, na you do this business, just planting a seed. Okay? Ikaw na ang mag-plant ng seed na yan. You learn. And so that your kids, nai-influensyahan mo siya. Even we have kids, hindi natin hawak yung mga isipan nila. And much better if you are a mother, you do this business to influence. Kasi ano maririnig nila sa'yo kung paano mo siya ginagawa, unti-unti na i-influensyahan mo yung anak mo. At dahil dyan, okay, dahil dyan sabi ko nga, meron tayong sharer ngayon na 23 years old. Okay, parang anak ko na yan, di ba? A former computer engineering student. Okay? At isa siya sa 1-star. Okay? Na 1-star receiver dito sa DM Millionaires Club. Okay, naka-receive siya niyan na achievement. Car achiever din siya. And one of the DMW Speakers Bureau. At syempre, gwapong-gwapo to. Ready na ba? Alright, so ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang ating sharer for tonight. Ready na ba kayo? Because this is FM Ibig Month. Ako, maraming mai-in-love sa hindi lang gwapo to, mai-in-love pa sa isa-share niya. Let's welcome Martnal Dagasdas!
Alright, ayan, grabe. Woohoo! Yan, live good morning everyone. Ayan sa ating lahat ng mga partners, leaders, and coaches na nandito. Ayan, hello, hello. Kumusta po tayong lahat, no? So I'm so excited syempre na mag-share ng konting inspiration, no? And of course, thank you so much kay Coach Marivic, no? And very clear yung ano niya, explanation, no? Kailan ba palapakan naman po natin, no? Sa ano niya, service sa buong team natin, no? So dito, no, provided na lahat. Kailangan na lang natin gawin is mag-plug in, no? Kaya bless po tayo lahat, no, na nandito, especially yung mga affiliate members na. Alright, paki-type nga dyan, I am blessed. Ayan, type mo dyan, I am blessed, no? Kasi I believe, no, itong opportunity na meron po tayo, live good is a blessing, no? So, let me share to you, no, ayan, before tayo mapunta kung saan-saan. So, again, live good morning sa inyong lahat, all our partners, leaders, and coaches na nandito, no? And, yan, my name is Martel Dagasdas and background ko po, dati po akong engineering student. Ayan, so tayo po yung talagang nag-aaral. Hindi mo po kasi yun nga yung ano natin, kumbaga advice sa atin na mag-aral talaga ng mabuti para magkaroon ng magandang trabaho, no? And currently ngayon po nandito po ako sa Tacloban City. And full-time na po ako dito sa Live Good. Okay? So proud po tayo, no, na nag-full-time po tayo, nag-all out po talaga tayo dito sa opportunity ito, no? So paano po ako na-invite? So to be honest po, no? Okay, okay. All right. So ayan, so before we proceed, no, ayan, meron mo nang ipapano. Ayan, meron pa i-share. Okay, so meron muna tayong ipe-play na video. Okay, about, ayan, my short about me. Ayan. Ayun. Hello everyone, ako nga pala si Marta Dagasdas, dating computer engineering student, and ang nag-invite po sa akin dito sa Live Good, walang iba kundi si Coach Trick Saizon Quizon. So, ginawa ko po itong si Live Good kasi nakita ko po na dito mababago yung buhay ko at nakikita ko rin na dito makukuha ko yung tinatawag na time and financial freedom. Nakita ko rin na dito sa company to, merong credible na mga owners, may high quality and of course affordable na mga products, and not just that, may doable, duplicable, and very generous na compensation plan. And by doing this business, in just 6 months time, na-hit ko po yung first million ko dito. And in 7 months time, nabili ko po yung first car ko na nasa likod ko ngayon, ang Hyundai Elantra, fully paid. Sa mga hindi pa part ng Live Good, ano pang inaantay mo? Sumabay ka na at baka ito na ang inaantay mo para mabago din yung buhay mo. Naniniwala ko sa kasabihan, just do your best and let God do the rest. Yun lang, God bless, and see you all at the top. Alright, ayan. Okay, so pasensya na 'no, supposedly mauuna 'yun, eh. Okay, so anyway 'no, so nadala tayo kasi sobrang ano, excited mag-share, eh. Alright, so ayan again, I'm Martel Dagasda. So background ko 'yan, nasabi ko na dun sa video na dati po akong computer engineering student. Ayan, meron bang mga estudyante dito? Yan, paki-type me. Alright, ayan, para nakikita ko naman 'no, at merong meron din nakaka-relate 'no. Ayan, so ako po yung talagang nag-aaral 'no, and inuuna talaga natin na siyempre talagang yung goal natin is makatulong talaga sa family. Alright, and yun nandito po ako sa Tacloban City right now, and paano po ako na-invite 'no. So to be honest po, okay, all transparency, so wala po actually nag-invite sa amin dito 'no. Masabi ko nga talagang indeed blessing po talaga ito 'no, kasi naging answered prayer 'to sa akin and sa amin po 'no, sa team namin. 'No? So, paano po namin natagpuan itong si Live Good? So, through social media lang po sa Facebook, 'no? Sino ba dito yung mga ano lang, kumbaga, nakita lang yung post tapos ngayon part na ng Live Good? Ayan, para makita ko meron nakaka-relate din, 'no? Ayan, so meron ba? So ako po, yun nakita ko lang po yung, Live Good that time. So way back, 2023, okey, that was March po 'no. So nakita ko po meron po akong isang Facebook friend, alright, na ini-invite ko po actually dun sa may previous company po kami, alright. Tapos hindi po siya sumali, okey. Ang sabi niya kung meron akong ibang opportunity, okey, invite ko daw siya, okey. But yung nangyari po nag-post po siya. Alright, and, na-curious ako kasi that time, ilang buwan pa lang po si Live Good pero 200,000 na po yung member. Sabi ko, grabe kakaiba 'to, 'no? Bakit sobrang dami agad, eh, bago pa lang, tama? So, ang ginawa ko po talaga is nag-research ako, 'no? Buti na nga lang ngayon siyempre meron ng, ano, eh, YouTube University, Google University, 'di ba? So, dun po tayo naghanap, 'no? So, sinearch po natin, ako po mismo talaga nag-research sa Live Good until 'no, na ano, natagpuan ko po yung video ni Coach Fernan. Ayan, so dun pa ako, na term po namin 'no, dun ako nabaliw 'no. Sabi ko grabe, mind blown ako kasi dati ano, eh, pahirapan kami 'no. 'Yan baka meron ditong mga may experience na 'di ba, yung tipong, na pinu-push ka 'no, para yun nga yung account natin pumares 'di ba, tapos ipu-push kang magbenta 'no. So dito sabi ko grabe sobrang kakaiba, and ngayon ko lang nakita 'no. So namangha ako and na mind blown, and sabi ko grabe baka ito na 'no. Pero hindi po kaagad kami actually pumasok 'no. Ayan, kasi nga, ano tawag nito, ni-research muna namin kasi siyempre, meron kaming inaalagaan din na pangalan, eh. So, ayaw din namin na alam mo yun, masira yung ano namin, yung pangalan. Especially kasi previously meron din kaming mga leaders na, and may team na rin kami. Alright? So, yung nangyari po is that, yun ni-research po namin talaga. So, halos isang buwan po yun 'no, sinigurado po namin lahat 'no. Tapos, of course that time po, nag-pray po tayo 'no. Nag-pray po tayo na, hopefully na makatagpo tayo ng opportunity. Actually marami po tayong hinahanap na ano, opportunity na ano, na nasa ano lang, local lang, okay. So baka meron dito no naghahanap, okay, may floating networker dito, okay. So kumbaga, um, yun nga po 'no, nag-ano po tayo, kumbaga nag-research po talaga, okay, and thank God kasi, pinag-pray po namin, ako po mismo talaga, nag-pray po talaga ako na isang opportunity 'no. So sa dinami-dami ng companies na actually tinitingnan din namin, Okay, ito pong si Live Good yung binigay sa amin. Kaya nung nakita namin at the same time, dumating na rin yung time na talagang ready na kami as in mag-start, no? So kami po together with my sponsor, ayan shout out, nanonood dito si upline ko si Coach Trick Saizon Quizon. Ayan, okay, yung malupit na upline ko rin, no? So siya po yung kasama ko ever since, no? So kumbaga nakipag-usap po kami. Actually gusto namin ma-meet talaga si Coach Fernan in person kasi gusto namin makasigurado talaga. Gano'n kami kasigurista, okay? So, kumbaga, since of course online naman po tayo, nag-usap po kami online, no? So, 'yun nag-resonate naman kumbaga yung ano namin kumbaga tinatawag na frequency, no? Kumbaga nagtutugma, no? And nagustuhan din namin syempre yung of course the experience and leadership, no, ni Coach Fernan, no? And yun na nga po, no, kumbaga ginawa na namin, nag-all out kami, okay, dito sa Live Good and tinuloy-tuloy namin. And yun nga po, no, the rest was history. Okay? So bakit ko po ito ginagawa? Okay, simple reason kasi syempre may pangarap ako, gusto ko magkaroon ng time and financial freedom, no? Okay na darating yung time syempre na talagang mapag-retire ko talaga yung parents ko, no? Kasi paano na po sila pa-senior na po. Okay, and ako po yung actually yung panganay and breadwinner at the same time kaya, talagang kumbaga sa akin nakasalalay, 'no, sa akin nakasalalay yung buong family ko at the same time yung mga kapatid ko, 'no. So kumbaga walang excuses, talagang dinidiretso namin, okay. And, yun na nga po 'no, share ko lang konti 'no, yung ating kumbaga naging ano dito, naging journey, quick, result, alright, na at least maka-inspire, especially sa mga Gen Zs 'no. Ayan, meron ba mga Gen Zs dito? Ayan, kaway-kaway naman, alright. Ayan, so, dito, okay, wala pong imposible kasi ano, kumbaga given na po 'no, may sistema na pong susundan, ang gagawin na lang natin is sasabayan, alright? Kaya grabe, ito po papakita ko lang po sa inyo para at least, ma-inspired ko po kayo. Ayan, so ito po yung ano namin first virtual meeting 'no, way back last year, okay. So 'yan po, meeting po namin ni Coach Fernan tapos actually meron pa kaming kasama diyan yung, upline ko ni Coach Trix. Okay, kaso nga lang ano, buti na nga hindi nasama kasi nag-ibang company din, iniwan din kami. Okay. So 'yan po 'no and sobrang baliw na kami 'no and, ayan, first day ko po siyempre dahil seryoso talaga tayo, meron tayong why, may pangarap tayo so bronze tapos kaagad 'no? And magandang part nito kasi shinare ko kaagad sa family ko, unang-una sa family ko, sa, parents ko 'no? Kasi sobrang na-excite ako, 'no? So pinanood ko po yung ano, yung, Zoom 'no, yung, Zoom, way back 2023 sa mama ko 'no? And ito po yung good news kasi before hindi po siya masyadong supportive sa akin. Pero ngayon na nag-live good po ako, okay. Kaya grabe, thank you so much po ayan Coach Fernan and si Coach Ferz din po yung nagpe-present that time. Nabaliw po talaga yung mama ko, okey? Nabaliw po talaga as in mas baliw pa po sa'kin, okey? So to the point na kinabukasan po nangutang po siya. Yes, totoo po 'yun. Nangutang siya at pinang-member po. Okay, pinang-member yung buong family namin. Okay, yung papa ko, yung mga kapatid ko, nadamay pa yung mga ibang kamag-anak namin, pati lola ko, na-member kasi naintindihan niya yung concept. Kaya itong Zoom ngayon na meron po tayo, no, this is so powerful. No, at the same time, yung mga presenter natin ang gagaling. No, ima-maximize na lang natin. Kaya ako po, kung bakit bumilis din ako kasi minaximize ko lang kung ano pong meron yung team, no? Kung anong merong resources po ang ating grupo dito sa DMW. So, yan po, nag-bronze po ako first day, right? And in 9 days time, tinapos po natin yung silver rank and in 37 days, na-hit po natin yung gold kasi sobrang excited tayo And in 85 days, tinapos po natin yung platinum. Alright? Tapos ito po yung mga kahit papaano mga actually simpleng resulta. Alright? So, mga ilang ano lang, ilang buwan, ayan, nabili natin yung mga dati di rin natin mabili. Okay, itong laptop, fully paid po yan, worth 50,000. No? Itong relo, itong mga flagship ng mga cellphone, mga sapatos. And ang maganda nito kasi, syempre, inuna ko yung family ko. Okay, ako yung trumabaho, pati sila nadamay sa blessings. Okay? In short, pati rin po sila kumikita. No? And dumating din po actually yung time, okay? So, may time po yun na ano, dati talagang combine po sila pa lang alone, okay? Malapit-lapit na silang mag six figures. Okay, so ganun po ka-powerful. Sabi ko, grabe, posible pala. Basta tatrabahuin mo, no? Kasi dito, lahat po ng effort natin bayad. Totoo po yan. Bayad po yan lahat. Basta't sisipagan natin. Tapos, na-treat ko po yung family ko yung nung time na nag-birthday po yung mama at papa ko. Kasi isa yun sa mga gustong-gusto ko talaga gawin. No, na kahit pa paano man lang, may treat ko sila sa labas na yung tipong kakain, hindi na titingin sa presyo. Kasi mostly sa atin, 'di ba, titingin sa presyo eh. Tama? 'Di ba? Kasi ito na lang kasi mura lang, 'di ba? Oh, pero ngayon, because of Live Good, no? So, sabi ko sa kanila nung that time na nag-birthday po sila is that kahit ano, 'di ba? Kung anong mapili nyo, 'di ba? Ganun pala ganun pala yung feeling no na fulfilling no na kahit papaano is that makapag-payback tayo no sa ating parents, no? So, yan po no, and at the same time nung first event last September 2023 no. So, syempre ako di ko naman po masyadong minamind yan eh. So, yan, thank God kasi na-awardan po tayo that time actually ng platinum, nag-speakers bureau rin tayo, and I was actually, kung makita niyo sa picture, I was the youngest top earner. All right, that time. Okay, so grabe po, no? God is so good kasi talagang lahat po ng effort natin dito is bayad po talaga. Okay, and in just 6 months time, nahit po natin ang ating first million dito sa Live Good. Grabe, no? Actually, hindi ko masyado nagko-compute sa income. Ang sa akin lang, tatrabaho lang ako. Tutulong na ako ng maraming tao. Yun lang, no? Ayan, hindi ko na masyadong kino-compute yung income. Okay? Basta ako tatrabaho lang. Nagulat na lang ako nung pag-compute ko. Exactly 6 months time na ito yung first million ko. And in 7 months time, no, syempre dahil nangangarap tayo ng malaki, no? So, actually itong sasakyan na to, this was way back 2019 pa po. Kasi that time sa previous company namin, hindi ako mahilig, actually to be honest, hindi po mo mahilig sa sasakyan, no? Nahilig na lang po ako kasi sabi ng mga uplines namin before, mga coach namin na kailangan meron kang goal, may target ka, 'di ba? Ano bang gusto mong sasakyan? So nag-search lang po ako sa Google and ito po yung natipuhan ko. 'Di ba? Kasi maangas, 'di ba? Pogi. Okay? So, sabi ko, ang ganda nito. Okay? So 2019 ko pa po siyang tinarget na, Lord, 'di ba? Baka naman 2020. Okay? So I believe no may kasabihan, God will not give you what you want, but He will give you what you deserve, no? So come 2020, no? So humingi tayo 2019 December, nag-post po tayo, no, na ibigay ni Lord. Okay, 2020 good news, hindi po binigay. Kasi ba, hindi pa po tamang opportunity at hindi pa ako ready, no? 2021, no? Nag-pray ulit tayo, trabaho ulit, di pa rin binigay. 2022, hindi pa rin. Come 2023, dito po sa Live Good, in just 7 months time, nakuha po natin itong first and dream car po natin na Hyundai Elantra. Ang the best part nito kasi fully paid. Fully paid po yan. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, cash ko po yung kinuha. Okay, ito matindi. Ito matindi. Nagkaroon pa ako ng sasakyan dahil busy nga tayo sa kakahataw, hindi pa ako marunong mag-drive. Okay? Nag na, na natuto na lang akong mag-drive nung nagkaroon ako ng sasakyan. No? Thank you kay Coach Rex sa pagturo. All right, so as in grabe, overwhelming and talagang fulfilling, no? And at the same time, nung nag 1 year na po tayo dito, is na-hit po natin ang ating $40,000 club or 2.3 million pesos. Pwede na? Isang taon, 2.3M. Okay, so ganun po kalupit. Okay, hindi pa ako malupit, talagang nagsipag lang ako. Alright, ang malupit po, si God. Kasi siya nagbigay ng blessing at si Live Good. Okay? And of course, na-award na tayo sa DMW as 1-star dream maker, no? Very soon. Ayan, magto 2-star. Okay? And of course, ayan, nag-top earner na rin. So, dati lang akong taga-palakpak, alam niyo yun, grabe, next time ako naman, di ba? Pero, God is so good, no? Kasi, of course, napasama tayo sa top earner. Alright? And at the same time, ito yung, kumbaga, isa sa mga malaking achievement ko rin. Kasi sa mga pangarap po, kahit dati pa, is syempre mabigyan ng gandang tirahan talaga yung family ko. Kasi sa hindi po nakakaalam, again, mahirap lang po kami, and NPA. Ayan. O, sino po ditong NPA? Hindi nasa bukid no permanent address. Okay? Ibig sabihin, wala kang permanenteng tirahan, palipat-lipat, no? So, ginol ko talaga, no? Pero naman sa sarili ko na bibigyan ko sila ng magandang tirahan po. No? So, yun nga, trabaho natin, okay, combine sa income ng family ko at income ko, Ayan, so naipatayo po namin unti-unti yung bahay ng family ko and at the same time, so ayan na po. Okay, so itong isa, actually yung labas, hindi na po yan updated. So ano na po yan, kumbaga sementado na. Okay, and ayan, hindi na po tutulo yung bubong kasi ayan, nakikita nyo naman po, no? So tagpi-tagping yero, tapos binabaha pa, no? Ayan, tapos tumutulo po pag umuulan, no? So kumbaga, wala na akong choice, okay, kundi talagang itodo. Kasi ayoko nang maghirap, 'no? May kasabihan nga 'no na mahirap magpayaman pero mas mahirap maging mahirap, 'di ba? Kaya choice ko maghirap na lang din naman dun na sa payaman, tama? Ayan, so 'yan po 'no, and of course ito yung isa sa mga target din natin, and thank God kasi last year natupad po ito, mag-international travel. And of course the best part dito kasi kasama ko 'yan yung upline ko si Coach Trix, and of course our crown diamond si Coach Fernan Santiago. So grabe 'no, of course pinano po namin diyan yung kumbaga ginamit siyempre na pera is of course galing kay Live Good. Okay? So hindi po 'yan galing sa magulang ko o sa ibang tao, galing po 'yan sa result sa income ko dito sa Live Good. So nag-travel po kami doon as in hindi para magtrabaho kundi para mag-enjoy. Okay, na doon po kami for 7 days and 7 nights. Okay? So, grabe talaga, no? And of course, ito yung the best part dito din kasi hindi lang po ako yung nagkumita at nagkaresulta. Okay, some of our leaders, ayan, sponsor ko, si Coach Trick, shout out. And of course, kay Coach Ryan, no, yung isa sa mga direct natin na Diamond. Diba, dito walang una-unahan, okay? Bonus ko nauna ka. Depende sa sipag mo, bakit naunang mag-Diamond yung direct ko eh. Tama, si Coach Ryan. Okay, and of course, ayan, si Coach Jana, baka nanonood din. Okay, kumita na rin at nag-million na rin po sila. Okay? So, ganun po kaganda dito kasi hindi lang po ikaw yung aangat. Okay, pati rin po yung mga taong masisiran mo at tutulungan mo dito. No? So, mas marami kang matutulungan, mas aangat ka rin. 'Di ba? So, yun po. No? And ito yung sobrang, of course, for feeling din kasi ito po yung some of our leaders dito sa team po namin, no, na nag-for good. Ito pong apat. Ayan, from left to right, no, yan si Coach Red. Okay, soon magfo-for good na rin po 'yan. Okay, and Millionaire Circle na rin po 'yan actually sa team namin. Okay, si Coach Christian, si Coach Jovin, si Coach Mary Jane, and si Coach Christine. No, so ito pong apat na 'to, okay, is that for good na po sila and full-time na po nilang ginagawa si Live Good. Alright, so grabe no? And vision po namin na mas marami pang mapauwi na mga OFWs na mag-for good and full-time na nilang gagawin itong si Live Good. Alright? So, I leave you with this one verse, sabi pa nga sa Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you. No? Kasi I believe lahat tayo no nagpe-pray no? Ayan, nagpe-pray tayo, humingi tayo ng blessing kay Lord. Okay, tandaan natin yung kumbaga plano ni Lord. Okay, sabi niya dito is prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Alright? So, meron na po tayong vehicle, guys. Sa mga first-timer dito, no? So, dati lang din akong walang idea. Dati lang din akong, laki sa hirap din, no? Ang meron lang ako that time is pangarap ko, no? And yung drive ko, yung burning desire ko na umangat, no? So, ginamit ko po yun para mag-take action every single day na mag-share, na mag-share, na mag-share. And of course, na mag-plug in sa program natin ngayon. Yung pinakita po kanina na program, yun po yung susundan natin, no? Yung Power of 3. Alright? So, I believe no na si Lord hindi naman po yan bababa dito para tapikin tayo, no? So, meron ba tayo dito mga first timer, no? I believe na-invite ka dito for a reason, no? Kung nagpe-pray ka, baka ito na yung sign mo, no? Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to take action. Take action. Bakit? Wala pong kumikita o walang nagka-resulta na nagdududa at hindi nagte-take action. So lahat po ng mga nagka-result is nagtatry at ginagawa nila yung best nila, no? So yan guys, no, hopefully na-inspire ko kayo, and tandaan po natin si Lord may planong maganda sa buhay natin, kaya dapat paniwalaan natin 'yon. Okay? And of course, hindi lang dapat nakatunganga lang. Okay? Syempre, merong gagamitin yan opportunity. 'Di ba? At 'yun yung tatrabahuin natin para tayo mag-prosper. Okay? And I believe itong si Live Good po, okay? Live Good is a blessing. Okay? Type mo nga dyan, Live Good is a blessing. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po, itong opportunity na to, ito po yung vehicle natin. Okay, wala po ditong maganda kasi wala po ditong pinipili kahit sino ka, mapabata, matanda, may ngipin man o wala, single man o may jowa, 'di ba? Kahit anong kasarian mo, anong background mo, pwede ka dito as long as may pangarap ka, may gusto kang maabot sa buhay and willing ka magpa-guide at mag-plug in, no? At gawin yung best mo para umangat at para syempre makuha mo yung goal mo dito. Alright? So, yun guys. Okay, take action right now. Okay, balikan mo kaagad yung nag-send sa'yo. Okay, ng video to kung nanonood ka man right now. Okay, and simulan mo kaagad. No? May kasabihan, time is gold, therefore time is money. Walang kumikita sa pag-iisip lang. Lahat ng kumita, nagresulta. Lahat yan po sila nagtatry. Kaya you have to try. And pag nag-try ka na, aralin mo at gawin mo na yung best mo kasi nangyari sa akin eh. Hindi lang sa akin, no? Kasi baka sabihin mo tsamba eh, 'di ba? Kasi baka iilan lang, no? Yung result po hindi po yan tsamba. Okay, kasi bakit hindi lang po ako napagpatunay. Marami po sa team namin at other team, no, under the DMW na nagkaroon talaga ng magandang result dito. At matindi kasi of course iba-iba yung background, no? So, yun po. Hopefully na na-inspired ko kayo and hopefully na syempre natulungan ko kayo na makapag-decide and mag-plug in and gawin itong Live Good All Out. Alright, so thank you so much everyone. Hopefully na na-inspire ko kayo. So yun lang, ayan, balik ko po kay Coach Marivic. God
Okay.
bless.
Thank you very much, Coach Mark. I am Joel Cueto. I'm your host po for tonight. Yan.
Alright,
Alam mo,
okay.
Coach, kanina habang kayo nagpapaliwanag, nag-share ka, ang dami kong iniisip pero biglang nawala lahat. Para ba na-starstruck siya ako sa iyo? Yung gano'n. Kasi nakaka-inspire yung mga sinabi.